reminder, you guys, after you do any cooking or baking, at the end, it's really important to clean up. So if you have an adult, help them clean up after you are done baking or cooking. Hey guys, welcome back to CJJ. Jemima and Jello are not awake yet, so I am just going to be the one to film. Today I am going to make a Jello classic cheesecake. First, we need to open this package. There are 2 ingredients, 2 packets, crust mix and filling mix. After you open this, you need your butter and to get 4 tablespoons of butter and then to microwave it until it's melted. After your butter is melted, you will want to mix your crust milk, your melted butter, and some sugar. Step 1. Step 2. That was about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And you see, it should look like this, and then you should mix it up with a spatula or something like that, and then you get a pie plate and put the crust onto the side and the bottom. After you mix for a couple of minutes, it should look something like a nice pie crust. Make sure to get all the sugar, anything at the bottom, to mix up so you can put it onto the pie crust. After you mix your pie crust, you will get a pie container and then put the pie onto the side and to the bottom. I've only done this much of the pie crust, but I will do way more. And I still have so much left. So I will keep on doing this until we are ready to go on to the next step. After you put the pie crust, you can either get a separate mixing bowl, or you can use the same one, but you have to wash it. I'm just going to use a separate mixing bowl, and this time we are going to mix the filling mix with 1.5 of cold milk. Here's the filling mix. It's kind of like a white powder. Ooh. And then you can just put this in here. After you pour your filling mix and your milk, you will want to stir this until it's thick, because the pie filling should be thick. It's still not too creamy, so you're just going to have to keep mixing and mixing and mixing. The filling is getting more thicker and thicker, so you just have to keep mixing this. Yeah, it's getting very thick now. As you can see, the filling is getting pretty thick right now. And you want this kind of thickness. So after you mix for about this kind of consistency, you'll want to start putting it in here, just the middle. Don't get it all over. You'll want to get a spoon and start putting it in here and spreading it gently in the middle. This is what it looks like when it's finally done from the touch. And now we're just gonna put it in the fridge for an hour. In the fridge. Took the cheesecake out of the fridge, and my great grandma wanted to try it. So we are going to see her soon eating the cheesecake. Mom, you are eating, right?
Yeah.
Yay, Mama! Yay! Is it good? Is it good?
Good.
Is it good?
Yummy.
Yes! Yay! Guys, I think the cheesecake was great. Even my great grandma loved it. And so I give it a thumbs up. You should definitely try it and buy it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!